Alleged robber shot dead by a licensed firearm holder in St. Andrew.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A man who allegedly held up and attempted to rob a female student in Havendale, St. Andrew, on Thursday afternoon, February 28, was shot dead by a licensed firearm holder. Another man, who is believed to have been an accomplice of the alleged robber, was apprehended during the incident. The deceased remained unidentified up to the time of this publication. Reports are that about 3:30 p.m., the student was walking on Highland Drive in the community when two men traveling on a motorcycle allegedly attacked her. Reports are that the men held up the female and demanded that she hand over her valuables. Information is that a firearm holder who was passing by saw what was happening and challenged the robbers. One of the men was fatally shot and the other was held and later taken into police custody.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.